Alright everybody, what's going on? It's Marlon from Volvo Cars Tucson, and today I'm doing a video on Google. Since Volvo has switched over to the Google operating system in their vehicles, and I found out that Google is a very intuitive system when it's connected to the Volvo. It controls a lot of functions in this vehicle. So, and it's on all 2023s going forward, and I believe it's going to be the future of Volvo for a while. So today I am going to be talking to Google and seeing what can we do. All right, so here we go. Okay, so Google is performed two ways in the Volvos, all right? Not performed, but activated in two ways. So you got your face button here, or you can just say the command, hey, Google, all right? I don't want to say it in succession because if I say it, hey, Google, raise temperature to 72 degrees.
Sure, changing the temperature to 72 degrees.
Right? Or I can be a little bit more specific. Hey Google, raise passenger temperature to 72 degrees.
Sure, changing the temperature for the front passenger to 72 degrees.
Alright. So, I'm going to go a little bit further. Hey Google, raise fan speed to level 3.
Okay, changing the fan speed to 3.
Or, hey Google, lower fan speed to 2.
Alright, changing the fan speed to 2.
Okay, let's try a different command. Okay Google, turn on recirc.
Alright, circulating the air.
Alright. Okay Google, turn off recirc.
Alright, stopping the air circulation.
Okay. Okay Google, turn on fan to feet. Oh, there
Okay,
it is.
changing the vent to floor.
So as you can see, what I said, and Google took a second to interpret of what I meant, because I got a pretty hard accent, what people keep telling me. Okay Google, turn off air on feet.
Sure, turning that off. Sorry, I'm having trouble controlling that. Try again in a bit.
Okay Google, turn off vent to feet.
Okay, turning that off. Sorry, I'm having trouble controlling that. Try again in a bit.
Hey Google, turn off air on feet.
Okay, turning that off. Sorry, I'm having trouble controlling that. Try again in a bit.
Okay Google, turn on air on body.
Okay, changing the vent to body.
Okay Google, turn air on windshield.
Okay, changing the vent to windshield.
Okay, so changing vent to windshield. Okay. Okay Google, turn vent to auto.
Sorry, I don't understand.
I'm trying to find the command to do this guy, to turn it on to auto. Hey Google, turn on max defroster.
Alright, turning on max defroster.
Okay. Okay Google, turn on rear defroster.
Okay, turning on the defroster for the back.
There we getting loud. Okay Google, turn off max defroster and rear defroster.
Sure, turning off max defroster.
Okay, look like you only can do one command at a time. Okay, about to say okay computer. Okay Google, turn off rear defroster.
Sure, turning off the defroster for the back.
Okay Google, turn off climate.
Okay, turning off the auto climate control.
There it is. Okay Google, turn on auto climate.
Sure, turning on the auto climate control.
Alright, so, okay Google, turn off auto climate.
Got it, turning off the auto climate control.
Alright, we're going to stop saying hey. We're going to start using the face button. So every time you hear the thing click, that means I'm pushing this guy. Turn on air on body.
Sure, changing the vent to body.
Okay. Turn on auto climate.
Got it, turning on the auto climate control.
Turn off fan.
Got it, turning off fan.
Okay. So this is how you turn off your AC. So all I did was I'm just looking at the pictures that we have here and just going off of saying Google and just talking to it what I see in front of me. So auto driver seat, auto passenger, auto steering wheel heat, quality sensor, auto rear defroster, recirc. Alright, so we're going to try this guy right here. So this one here, I'm not turning on none of this. This is for, I believe the temperature have to be below 40 degrees in order for this to come on automatically. But in Tucson, we don't really need this because it doesn't get cold for that long. Anyway, so I'm going to try this. I'm going to try to turn on the heated steering wheel. Turn on steering wheel heat.
Sure, turning on the steering wheel heater.
Okay. Turn on passenger seat heat.
Sure, turning on the seat heater for the front passenger.
Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Turn off passenger seat heaters.
Okay, turning off the seat heater for the front passenger.
This is what you can do with Google by simply looking at what the words say in front of you and just pressing the face button. Turn on driver seat heat.
Got it, turning on the seat heater for the driver.
I know it sounds silly saying that, but this is how it's printed up in front of me. All right, so this is going to get warm really fast. So since this got 3 levels, I'm just going to tell Google to turn it down by 1. Turn down driver seat heat by 1.
Sure, turning down the seat temperature for the driver by 1.
Okay. Turn down driver seat heat all the way.
Okay, turning down the seat temperature for the driver by 1.
Okay, so this automatically do it by 1. All right. Turn off driver seat heat.
Got it, turning off the seat heater for the driver.
Turn off steering wheel heat.
Sure, turning off the steering wheel heater.
Okay. So there you have it. So this concludes this video to talk to Google and throw some commands at her. And so far, it works out pretty good. So until the next video, keep talking to Google in your Volvo 2023 and the 2022 XC60s and your 2021 for the electric XC40s and your 2022 C40. Alright, talk to y'all later.